PRYME specializes in audio accessories for push-to-talk and is known for OEM quality at affordable prices. In this video, I will review surveillance-style lapel microphones, commonly called surveillance kits, used by law enforcement and security personnel. Unlike cheap imitations, PRYME cables only use quality stranded copper wire and shielded microphone lines. All PRYME cables are reinforced with Kevlar, and the quality PU jacket will last many years. PRYME also offers our braided fiber option at no additional cost. PRYME braided fiber cable is good for pulling and bending. It does not tangle easily and is non-reflective. The braided fiber cable is the popular choice for those running the cable under a vest. The PRYME PM1300, PM2300, and PM3300 Series all are surveillance kits. All have twist connect acoustic tubes, high output transducers, reinforced retainer, metal swivel clothing clips, durable strain relief, noise reduction mic elements, a 3-year warranty, and come with an open ear insert, so be sure to select the side and size you want. The PRYME PM1300 Series is a one-wire surveillance kit and has one reinforced cable leaving the connector at the radio. It has a PTT and microphone housing located between the speaker and radio. Notice that both cables exit the bottom of the housing. This keeps the wires from flopping around. The PRYME PM3000 Series is also a one-wire kit. It features a bullet transducer and a shorter acoustic tube. The PRYME PM1300 and PM3000 Series are both great options if you do not want a lot of cables. The PRYME PM2300 Series is a 2-wire surveillance kit available in standard cable or braided fiber. 2-wire kits have 2 wires leaving the connector at the radio. One cable is for the speaker and acoustic tube, and the other cable is to the lever-style PTT and microphone housing. This allows you to run the speaker line up your back and the PTT mic unit up front or down a sleeve. The PRYME PM3300 Series is our 3-wire surveillance kit. With 3 wires leaving the connector at the radio, it allows for a more personalized setup. The speaker, microphone, and PTT button each have their own reinforced cable leaving the radio. PM3300 Series are usually worn with the speaker wire up the back to the ear, microphone on the front collar, and the PTT down a shirt sleeve. A popular upgrade available for our surveillance kits is our quick disconnect. With many radio accessories utilizing a set screw to keep the accessory attached to the radio, the quick disconnect makes it easier to get dressed and undressed. You can keep the upper portion attached to your vest and the quick disconnect adapter connected to the radio. Attaching and detaching your radio accessories will eventually wear out the accessory connector on the radio, which is more expensive to repair than the quick disconnect adapter. When the adapter is connected to the radio and the upper accessory is disconnected from the adapter, audio reverts back to the radio. If you want a surveillance kit but do not always want to wear an acoustic tube, you can consider PRYME Snap Series. There are 5 different P-Snap earpieces available. The earpieces just snap together with either the Snap 1-wire or 2-wire. All Snap kits use PRYME's durable braided fiber cable and have a 3-year warranty. Quick disconnect upgrade is also available for the Snap series. To order or for more information, contact us directly. Let us know you saw the video and which police department you are with.